What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I am back on this 55-foot ocean. Um, this particular ocean's got this nice hole in the deck. It's all nice and dry now. It's been recored. Nice solid fiber underneath, and some fiber and Cabazone mix to bond these wood pieces in place. Next step is mixing up a little bit more bonding material to feather in all of these edges, to fill in any little gaps that might be left, and that'll give me a good surface to grind this whole thing out. Another thing I'm going to be doing is pulling these two hatches as well. So I might start with that and do this bonding material last, so I can actually breathe in here for a little bit. I'm wearing my shoes today. Trying to screw those up. Too bad. That, huh? So there's that hole and my wire down there I dropped. Whew. I gotta run down there and go get that. Don't know how I'm gonna keep it up here. Alright, so I gotta go ahead and mix up some more filler. Well, let me get that other hatch out first. Let me do that. That's this one here. It's locked, so let me go and do that real quick. I got my church shoes on. Got my stuff set up down here. Nice and toasty, a little heater. Considering it's really cold outside, this is pretty decent in here. Alright, so I think we're closing up this one. It's a cool little window. Really. So let me see if I can pop that out. There's probably screws up top. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, and the screws are out. So that shouldn't take too much.